Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your language on Duolingo application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Duolingo application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go, sorry, that was just an ad on the simulator. So as we said, if you want to if you want to download this, you can go and do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then just go open the application, and of course you would like to create your account, and if you have an account, just ignore all that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Duolingo application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see, this will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. And if you want, you can have like here another home or main screen, depends on which language are you learning, what's the progress that you reached, and etc. Okay. So if you want to change your language on Duolingo, all you need to do, just click at the language flag at the top right corner of your screen. So where are you gonna find it? Of course, here is it, and just go and click on that. So here, as you can see, if you want to change it, you would like to add another one, right? Just go and click add this plus icon, and here they will actually give you like several options. So just go, as an example, choose, like, I would like to learn maybe German. Click at continue, and here help us find your level. So just go and click on continue, and of course just keep doing all the stuff that you did when you create your account. Of course, choose whatever you want from here, and they'll just, as you can see, it can be, and just click start, and here you'll actually start learning. So just go and start learning from here, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.